Hi students, 3rd standard science class video session, lesson 3 birds. Last class we learned about some information about birds and some types of birds. In today's session we are going to learn about common features of birds and types of feathers. Shall we go for the session?
Do you know, children, there are about 10,000 species of birds. Some are very tiny, such as the bee hummingbird at 2 inches tall, and some are very large, such as ostrich, which are 9 feet tall. They are social creatures communicating with visual signals, calls, and songs. Sometimes we will see a number of smaller birds flying after a larger bird. This is called mobbing. Now let us learn common features of birds. Birds have a boat-shaped body and hollow bones. See, children, the shape of the body is like a boat, which help the bird to fly easily in the sky. They also have 2 wings and a tail. These feathers help them to fly easily. Their body is covered with feathers. Unlike us, they do not have mouth and teeth. Instead, they have a beak. They lay eggs from which the young ones are hatched. Beside birds, which other animal has a boat-shaped body? Other than birds, fish has boat-shaped body which help the fish to swim easily in water, like the birds have feathers to fly in the air easily. Next, we are going to learn about types of feathers. An animal is called a bird because of its feathers. Birds look beautiful because of the feathers they have on their bodies. Feathers protect them from harsh weather. Birds have 3 types of feather. Children, how many types of feather do birds have? Birds have 3 types of feathers. This is called contour feathers. Contour feathers give shape and color to the birds that can be seen by us. What is contour feathers? Contour feathers give shape and color to the bird that can be seen by us. Second one is down feathers. This we see that down feathers. Down feathers are small and soft feathers that help in keeping the birds warm. What is down feathers? Down feathers are small and soft feathers that help in keeping the birds warm. The third one is flight feathers. This is a flight feather. The flight feathers are long and strong that help them to lift their body and take a flight. What is flight feathers? Flight feathers are long and strong that help them to lift their body and take a flight. Birds have an oil gland at the base of their tail. They take care of their feathers by oiling, cleaning, and reshaping their feathers using their beaks. This is called preening. Birds have an oil gland at the base of their tail. They take care of the feathers by oiling, cleaning, and reshaping their feathers using their beaks. This is called preening. What is the main function of feather? Feathers of birds save serve as two purposes. They provide lift for flight and conserving body heat. They provide lift for flight and conserving body heat. Birds are endothermic because they fly, they require large amount of energy. Birds have an insulating covering that keeps heat in the body feathers. Some of the flightless birds are ostrich, emu, kiwi, and penguin. All birds have wings, but not all birds fly. All birds lay eggs. They may be brightly colored and they may even have spots. Birds' eggs have a hard shell made of calcium, which is a mineral used in building bone. Inside the egg, we find the yellow yolk and the egg with white, which is called the albumin. Now let us learn some of the adaptation of birds have for flight. Their bones have to be thin and hollow. Bird skeletons are designed specifically to keep birds light so they can fly. This means their bones are hollow. Some of their bones are fused or stuck together, which make the skeleton more rigid, which means very strong, than other creatures. Flight is the primary method of transportation for birds. Birds have developed several adaptations for flight. Their body are streamlined, which means boat shaped, to reduce air resistance. The breastbone is shaped like a bottom of the boat, which allows the large muscle necessary for flight. The shape and arrangement of feathers are what allows birds to fly. Birds also have excellent eyesight and then coordination. Thank you, students. I hope you all understand this lesson. Thank you.